Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to activate your Betway account. Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to stay updated every time I upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. On the search bar, type in betway.com. Once you're on this website, click on the link that says sign up. Clicking on it will take you to this page. On this page, enter your account information. Provide your username, password, confirm by entering the same password, and finally, your email address. Once done, click on the Next button. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details. Choose your title, enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and select your country. After completing this step, click on the Next button again. Now, enter your contact details. Fill in your address in the designated box and input your phone number. Once completed, scroll down. Under this section, select your daily limits, weekly limit, and monthly limit. After making your selections, scroll down again. In the Welcome Offer section, choose either the sports offer or select No Welcome Offer based on your preference. Click on the checkbox next to your choice. Finally, click on the button that says Register. Congratulations! Your account is now activated. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to receive alerts every time we upload new videos.